Hi guys, this is me, Carlo. Don't forget guys to subscribe, and I'm 8 years old and I'm going to play a Bade or a Bade in Roblox. You better subscribe to me right now. I just want to make 100 subscribers. My mom's subscribers are so many than me. Please subscribe to me guys. You. I beg you. If you if you make me 106 subscribers, I will actually buy a mic for my tablet. So that's why I'm not using a mic. I don't have a mic at all. I don't have a actually mic. Jesus, that's so loud. Let's go play. Am I lagging? Luca is been down. Okay. Look at what's this? Is it Lucky? Oh no, oh no, oh no, no. Why I cannot pick up him? What the, what the frick? I cannot pick up him. Why can you pick up? Maybe this game is not good. Let me just go to Tower 10. If I in the end, all of you guys, you need to subscribe to few of my videos. You didn't few videos I actually didn't have comments. You, can you please comment guys later? Let me just play Tower 10. In the next video, guys, I will just play. I will actually record the this um server. Look like Pro Tower, but awkward. Huh? What this? Can someone please tell me why here? I can't tell at all. Why everybody's struggling? Ah, that's why. This is the hardest one ever in our stand. If I can play this, I'm a legend. Go, go, go. Okay. Look at the timer. You can hear the song a little bit. Yeah, I hear that. But I'm tired. Tired. Huh? We're back, babe. What the? What's this? Jesus is here. Jesus, I believe in you. Sorry. We need shift lock, guys. We need shift lock to complete this. Okay, these blocks are so tiny. I cannot even land on them. Never mind. Jesus is in the lead. I believe in you, Jesus. Okay, this bit. Do not talk or do anything. Jesus, the flag. And there's the perfect. I have actually cherry types. I have cherry types. I have cherry 4K. No, and like in the I will end the video, guys. Because I will put in the end. When I become home, I just want to buy the extra size, but I will not buy it. No. Okay. Go carefully. Yeah, go for shortcut or else. This is in the end now. I believe in you. Did Jesus just fall down? Go, 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 go. Dang it. Don't tell me. It's the worst nightmare ever. Mm-mm. Closer. Just go. Until the end. Will be fast. I will be fast. I'm so close. I just need one more. I mean, two more. I believe in you. Go, go. If the timer runs out, or if I fall down, I'm gonna cry. Just go, please, please. Go. You know what? I'm going to Pro Towers. That is not good at all. I hate it so much. Why? Well, I will never going to defeat Pro Towers ever again. Except only just one time. I just complete Pro Towers in one time. In New Towers, I completed a lot. Wow. Not this again. No, 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 not that one. Even higher, okay? There, and I'll jump over here. Do not touch that little idiot. That's a bad one. Now jump. A jumper jump. Oh, fate. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Do not leave me like that. Go. Go. Take care. Sorry. It's just the sun outside. You can hear a helicopter. Go. 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 I'm not even close yet. Oh my god. I'm actually halfway there, guys. I better be quickly. I better be quickly. My extra time already. What's there? Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this. This make me phobia. What is this? This is the hardest. There's no way. Go, go. You know what? I'm going to new tower. I'm never gonna come back here. Sorry, I'm sick. Why am I recording all alone? No, 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 no. Go, go, go. 50 seconds. Second. Maybe this is not good at all. Let's do that. Wait. This is not good. Power of heck, bro. You're a power of hell. What do you have done? Do you like my new skin? Why? 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 I cannot sponsor this! Me, Mr. Zoe. What happened to you? Just kidding. If you're Zoe watching this, I'm gonna subscribe to you. I know you're a YouTuber, but whatever. Um, Something just happened, right? Nothing? Did go? Just go. Just go. Just go. No sharks around here. Huh? Oh. I see that plan, guys. I see that arm. Finally, somebody died in front of me. Let's go already. Let's go already. Let's go already. I almost said the almost said the F word. I almost please. I almost said the F word, guys. I said the F word. Why? You know what? I'm gonna end the video. See you.